Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the Maclaurin series for this function is actually super fast if you follow these simple steps. Let's solve this calculus problem together right now. First, we start with the standard cosine series and substitute x squared into it. This gives us the series for the derivative, which is the sum of -1 to the n. Next, we integrate this power series term by term to find the original function f. We increase the exponent to 4n plus 1 and divide by that new exponent value. Using the initial condition f of 0 equals 0, the constant of integration is 0. This leads directly to option C. Well done! Scan now. Avoid rushing to ensure correct signs. Trust given values and check steps to find that option C is correct.